How to link Facebook page to Messenger. The first thing you must do is to go to your Facebook page, go to Meta Business Suite, scroll down and click Inbox. In the upper right corner, you can see Create Automation. Kindly click this one. Here you can choose if you want to click this instant reply or away message, and then proceed to create automation. Click Message. Below, you can custom your time, date of when you're going to use this away message. So all you have to do is to click this one, select date and time, and you can also preview message here. Once you're sure of this, you can now click Save Changes. Okay, so now let me log into my other account to see if we can view a message button on the Facebook page. Let's check. So when I search this page, we can probably see the message button here. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching.